almost in every district, there has been some damage or the other. Yesterday at about 6 in the evening, I had held a online video conferencing review of the situation where all the deputy commissioners attended, and we have got a fair idea of the damages. And the departments, especially the Revenue and Disaster Management Department, has completely gone to full swing work, and complete efforts are being made to ensure that all the support that can be given to the affected families are being given, and all the deputy commissioners also working overtime to ensure that the benefits go, and as much relief as possible can be given to the people who are affected. Another large area which has been affected is the power supply in different parts of the state. So the MECL has worked overtime, and most of the lines have been restored, and those which have not been restored, we are hopeful that within the next 24 hours we should be able to restore most of the lines. But more or less now things are coming back to normalcy, and as I said, the entire efforts will be made to ensure that all the support that is possible will be given to all the affected families in different parts of the state.